With poor Russian morale, it doesn't seem older or newer equipment had an impact on the overall morale. With over 3,000 confirmed tank losses, even Russia's newest T-90M tank have their hatches left open after getting abandoned, letting a Ukrainian drone to be able to destroy a $5 million tank with a $50 anti-personnel hand grenade, resulting in an internal fire burning up everything inside, while the outside display firework from smoke grenades on the tank, turning another of Russia's tanks into scrap metal, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.